In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Discord on your PlayStation 5 so you can voice chat while gaming. Before diving into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, on your PlayStation 5, go ahead and navigate into your settings, and what you're going to want to do is go into the users and account settings and scroll down on this page until you see the linked services tab. Go ahead and select Discord and follow the prompts on screen to link your Discord account to your PlayStation account. Next, you're going to need to open up the Discord app on either your phone or your PC and join a voice channel or call. In this case, let's say I just want to join a voice channel real quick. We'll open this one up right here. Once you are in, you'll actually see an option that says join on PlayStation down here. Go ahead and select that setting and hop back over to your PlayStation 5 and press the PlayStation button on your controller, and you'll see that your Discord chat is an option as a voice card in the control center. From here, you can mute your mic, adjust the volume, or leave the call all without leaving your game, and that is it. You're not going to be chatting with your friends on Discord right from your PlayStation 5. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content, and if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.